How's it going, guys? I'm Soul Survivor 610 coming back at you with another video. Today we're going to be doing a review of the Retro 4 University Blues. Alright guys, so a little bit of a change in the box when it comes to our GR Retro 4s. So you got this white top with the blue Jumpman, the black flight, and then your gray cement bottom. These are retailing for $200. Definitely worth the money. Good consolation prize if you guys missed out on the Travis Scott 4s. Let's get right into this pair though. Got your nice cement wrapping paper. And here are the shoes, first glance. So I don't know if everybody was thinking this when they first saw their pair, but the shade of blue on these is a lot darker than the picture on like Sneakers app and everything was portraying. I was lucky enough to get myself a pair off the Sneakers app. As many of you know, I'm not very lucky off the app, but I got really lucky with the raffle. I'm not mad with this pair at all. I think for $200 off the toe, this is a really nice pair, especially in terms of quality and just a unique colorway. I know it doesn't sound unique when you say University Blue and Jordan, but I believe that this colorway is going to be very sought after in the next few years. So I'm gonna start at the sole, make my way up to the top, then I'll give you guys an off-foot look at these, and then we'll close it out the video and I'll wrap it up. When looking at the bottom of these shoes, you kind of just have your normal Retro 4 outsole. You have the blue Jumpman with the blue little traction pod right at the front of the foot. Not a lot going on there. Making our way up to the midsole, things start to get a little bit more interesting. We have our white cement midsole, I would say. I don't really know what else you would call it. Cement. I know it's super minimalistic. It's literally just gray with some black like splattered in there, but it just looks fire on shoes. That's why the white cements are one of my top three favorite colorways of Retro 4s. And we'll go up and we'll talk a little bit about the material used. So it's a suede. It's actually pretty nice. It's better quality than I was expecting. That being said though, quality is obviously not top of the line, but all in all, the quality on these isn't too bad. The entire upper is the same material. It's just that, you know, that blue suede. The netting is also blue. It's that Carolina blue color with your little mesh in the background. As I said earlier, like the blue doesn't match what I thought it was going to. I thought it was going to look more like the blue on the logo of the Jumpman, but the blue here is a lot darker. Going up a little bit more, you just have your cement hits on the sides where I don't even know what these are called, like your plastic straps or whatever. You know, your little thing in the back right there, you pull down, there's nothing, but you have your Jumpman. I'm so happy that they didn't throw Nike Air on these. If these had Nike Air on them, I know they probably wouldn't sell for like $500 or $600, but I'm lying. I definitely would have gone after them just for the resale, but I would not have gone after them for the toe. Nike Air only belongs on OG colorways. I'm a firm believer in that. So seeing the Jumpman on these made my day. I've already complained about the colors. Let me complain about one or two more things before I tell you what I like about this shoe. One thing that really threw me off was how wide this shoe was. I have many pairs of Retro 4s, and when you just look at these from the back or the front, it just looks like somebody super fat already wore this shoe around and kind of just stretched it out on the sides. Like the plastic hang tags right here, you can kind of see that they're just like bending out. I'll bring my Toros in so you guys can see a comparison. My Toros, like, they just look a lot slimmer in the back. You know, the plastic straps are hugging the side, they're hugging the mesh, whereas these, there's like a gap in between. I can see some space. It's not that big of a deal. It just kind of threw me off, and I kind of like my sneakers a little bit more streamlined. That being said, I don't own many pairs of 4s with this type of material, and I believe it might just be this type of material that has the 4s looking a little bit wider, because even the tongue isn't your normal tongue. It's super soft, super flexible, not anything like normal tongues. I would say this Toro is a normal tongue. It's really stiff. It sticks up like that. This is more just, you know, like cushiony. And I think that's why everything's more spaced out, because there's a lot of cushion in this shoe and the insides and everything like that. So kind of evens out. I guess the final hit of this shoe, the most important part, which everybody is complaining about, is the logo right on the front. Everybody hates this little like 23 team thing right there because it half is on, half is off. I get it. What people, I think, don't realize is that these are not like a UNC PE, you know what I mean? Like, Jordan has been releasing colorways of Jordan brand colleges, and they've all had this like collegiate like tag on them. I'll show you my Michigan 5s right there on the back. It's like the same type of tag that is on the front of these. And that's just because these are the Michigan 5s. It's just the GR release. There's obviously a sample pair that they wore on the actual team, just as there's a sample pair of people that actually wore these on the UNC basketball team. I think it looks dope. I think it's unique. This is like the only pair of 4s I've ever seen that has a label like that on the tongue. I think anything unique that's on a pair of Jordans is always a help in terms of the resale and everything like that and memorability, because like I said, only pair of 4s I've ever seen like this. I kind of vibe with it. I think it looks good, and I think just because of how unique this colorway is, how unique, you know, the tongue is, just little details like that, I think this pair is going to be very, very lucrative in a few months. You can already flip these for like 140, probably 150 easy over retail, but I think give it a year or two, these will definitely sit back on top of 400 like they were before the drop. Alright guys, so that is the full video of these. I'm going to give you guys an on-foot look now, and then after that, I'll wrap up the video. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this whole video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment. Every little thing you guys do helps my channel as a whole. I'll have some more videos coming out to you guys soon. And as always, thank you guys for watching.